Are you looking for the best digital cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best digital cameras. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Canon EOS R10. Canon is king when it comes to entry-level models, with a range of affordable, easy-to-use bodies at different price points. The best of these is the Canon EOS R10, which marries the familiar ergonomics and intuitive interface Canon is known for with a great APS-C sensor, some solid video specs, and one of the best autofocus systems you can find at this price point. The biggest drawback is that lens selection for Canon's RF mount is still quite limited, but if that isn't a deal breaker, there's plenty to love here. Now if you want to get a bit deeper into video and would prefer a camera with more advanced features like internal 10-bit log recording to capture a wider dynamic range, the Nikon Z52 is a great alternative. It's on par with the Canon in many ways, in that it captures excellent image quality and has comfortable ergonomics and intuitive controls. That said, while it's a bit better for advanced video shooters, it has a less reliable autofocus system overall, slower burst shooting, and a shorter battery life. Number 4. Sony Alpha-6700. A long-awaited update to Sony's APS-C lineup, the Sony Alpha-6700 is one of the best mid-range cameras on the market. With advanced video specs that bring it up to today's standards, including 4K 120 frames per second capture, internal 10-bit 4:2:2 recording, and IBIS, it's a great choice for hybrid in video shooters. It's no slouch for photography, either, with a 26-megapixel backside illuminated APS-C sensor that captures stunning images with plenty of detail and dynamic range, along with best-in-class autofocus. That said, the camera does have some limitations. If, for example, you need raw video output, the Fujifilm X-S20 is a great alternative and also supports 6.2K open gate recording. 4K recording, however, is capped at 60 frames per second on the Fuji, and its autofocus system is less reliable. Sports and wildlife shooters may also prefer the Canon EOS R7, which has better ergonomics and faster burst shooting, though lens selection is more limited for the RF mount. 26.0 MP APS-C format XMR back illuminated CMOS sensor. Bion's XR processing power for exceptional image quality. Dedicated AI processor and real-time recognition for accurate subject tracking. 4K/60p 6K oversampled 4:2:2 10-bit recording with long GOP or all intra formats. High frame rate 4K 120p recording. Number 3. Panasonic LUMIX G9 II. While we're on smaller format sensors, don't count out the Micro Four Thirds (MFT) system. With a very wide range of established lenses, many of which are incredibly small and lightweight, MFT cameras like the Panasonic LUMIX G9 II are the unsung heroes of the camera world. The G9 II is one of the most advanced on the market, with excellent hybrid features and a high-resolution MFT sensor. It's the first G-series camera to feature more effective phase detection autofocus, and all in all, it has excellent ergonomics, along with class-leading IBIS. But if you really want the size advantage of the MFT system, the OM system OM5 is a cheaper and more compact alternative. It's significantly more portable than the G9 II, so you can pair it with small prime lenses and have yourself a lightweight everyday carry or street photography camera. However, its autofocus isn't nearly as reliable, and it has less advanced video recording capabilities. Number 2. Fujifilm X-T5. If you prefer the portability of smaller sensor formats, consider the Fujifilm X-T5. At 40.2 megapixels, its sensor has the highest resolution of any APS-C sensor on the market, capturing images with a ton of fine detail and plenty of leeway to crop if needed. With its portable design, dedicated exposure dials, and three-way tilting screen, the X-T5's photography-first design is also great for street or travel photos. Though it's aimed primarily at photographers, the camera has some surprisingly impressive video specs, with internal 10-bit capture, log recording, and 4K video at up to 60 frames per second without a crop. The Fujifilm X-H2 uses the exact same sensor as the X-T5 and is tailored even more towards pros and hybrid shooters, with a CF Express card slot and 8K video capture. The Fujifilm X-H2S, meanwhile, uses a lower resolution stack sensor, which reduces rolling shutter distortion and makes it a better fit for fast subjects and action. Still, both XH2 models are bulkier and pricier, so we recommend the X-T5 for most people. If you want to save even more money, you can buy older used models in the XT series, like the Fujifilm X-T4, which still holds up very well despite having a lower resolution sensor and lacking some of the latest video features. Number 1. Nikon Z6 III. Nikon has been knocking it out of the park lately, and their latest enthusiast model, the Nikon Z6 III, is one of the best all-around hybrid cameras we've tested. With a unique partially stacked sensor, an excellent autofocus system, and some of the most advanced internal video recording specs of its class, this is a seriously well-rounded camera for both photography and video work. We're talking quick burst rates, minimal rolling shutter distortion, and 6K internal RAW recording. On top of that, it's well built and weather sealed, with effective in-body image stabilization (IBIS) and a high-resolution electronic viewfinder (EVF). Of course, all that power comes with an expensive price tag. Plus, Nikon Z series is relatively new, so it doesn't have the widest lens selection, especially compared to competitors like Sony. If you want more lens options for your camera, consider the Sony Alpha 7 IV. It falls behind the Nikon in a few areas, with a slower max burst rate and no 6K or RAW video support. However, it has a more seamless autofocus system and a more established lens ecosystem with more third-party options. You can't really go wrong at this level, but if you're looking for the best at this price point, the Nikon Z6 III takes the crown.